Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop at ang sender natin ay si Hinar. So, bali ito guys is charging cable, fast charging. So, titignan natin guys kung legit or scam to si seller guys.
Sinungaling!
Sealed pa yan guys ah. The moment of truth. Yes guys, legit sa seller. So, ito yun guys. Android. Pang Android to guys. 1.5 meters. Legit sa seller. Thank you for watching.